talk. I decided to do like a get ready with me. I know I haven't done one of those in a hot minute, and I decided to do one today. Nothing much, just like a basic, low-key basic fresh makeup look, and then we just talk about life. A lot has been going on. Have you guys been? Something I realized with like my YouTube, you guys enjoy like the vlogs more. That's why I have been not doing that much makeup tutorials, and makeup hasn't just been fun for me anymore. Like, I don't wear that much makeup anymore, so it's pointless filming like my everyday makeup routine every single time, if that makes sense. I almost broke this so much. I had to do my brows off camera because I told you guys my brows are like something else. They take me a while to do them because they're just a lot of work. Anyway, yeah, I just want to talk about life basically. Do you have one of those off days, you know, feeling like yourself and all that stuff? I've been feeling like that a lot recently, especially like, I don't know how to explain it, but it is very like, I don't want to do anything. I just want to stay in bed every day. Like, waking up in the morning is so hard for me, and at night I can barely sleep. You know what I mean? I don't know, it's so hard. I've been having a hard time. I haven't been motivated. I hate feeling like that. I haven't worn this bad boy in a hot minute, so probably. And this is the Revlon Color Stay foundation, and the combination to Oli. It sounds like, have you guys heard Lorelei say oily? She can't say oily, she says oily. That just reminded me of her. What do you guys do to put you back in like motivation and like put you back in your path and whatnot? I've been giving myself pep talks, I've been praying about it and all that stuff. It's so hard because I just end up in the same place, if that makes sense. I do like a nice get rid. I haven't even had like motivation to film YouTube videos. Like, all the content you guys have been seeing have been of like the past week. Like the whole of this week, today is Thursday, the whole of this week and the previous one. Okay, I did film last week, but like 50-50, it wasn't even like a complete vlog, because it is like the days missing in between, and those days I just didn't feel like picking up a camera, to be honest. I can't just be in a shit mood and pretend to be okay, yeah guys, so this is what I'm doing. I don't know, that's just not me. So I was like, there's no point of filming myself. I would figure you guys would see how I am, you know what I mean, like through the camera, and there's no point of worrying you guys because everyone has those moments. That's usually all the foundation I need, probably like a pump or maybe half a pump, because my skin has been doing so well. Don't need that much coverage. I keep forgetting why I love this foundation. Like, the finish is so nice. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it has like a nice sheen. And I've been suffering from a cold. Okay, I found my nose one. I think we're gonna wear that. The other mirror is too full. Like, I can't be bothered to do anything lately. In case you guys didn't realize, I tried doing like more stuff now, which isn't so me. I don't know if it's just me, let me know if it's just me, but I really find just like vlogging from the house the whole day boring. You can do that like 1 day or 2 days, but the whole vlog where you're just in the house, which I know I'm like a culprit, where I just leave and then come back and then talk about what I did, I don't find that interesting at all, to be honest. I try to go places and I try to bring you guys along because I feel like that's what you guys want to see, you know what I mean? That's what I like watching anyway. So just staying in the house, I feel like no one just wants to see me like just seated in the house and minding my own business, if that makes sense. When it comes to eyeshadow these days, I just go for like this pale peachy look, which is so stunning. I'm using the 3502 palette, by the way. Are you guys excited? Black October, Black Friday is coming up. That's usually the time I like shop and whatnot and get like stock up on my makeup products that I want. Stock up on like, not stock up, but like buy cute fashion items, because everything's on sale then, and everything is better when you find them on sale than paying the full price, you know what I mean? But yeah, I've been eyeing a couple of palettes from Morphe. I've just seen James Charles' new palette and I really want it. It looks so good. Something else that I have my eye on is the Bret Rock and Colourpop. You guys know I love Bret Rock. He's one of my favorite like IG influencers, personalities and whatnot. I love him. So when I saw that he's collabing with Colourpop, I was like, hell yeah. And then there's Super Shock shadows from Colourpop that I want as well. Like, I just want to build on my collection and whatnot, because those are probably one of my favorite eyeshadows from them, and they are so stunning. Sometimes I feel like dropping out, to be honest, or like just stop it. I have that thought probably 3 to 4 times a week, depending on how I'm feeling, because school can be so much work. Sometimes I think, do I really need this degree? It's just so much for me to handle. I don't have that much friends in school, weird, I know, so it's so hard for me. I feel like I haven't yet fit in that environment, and I'm like partly to blame. I need to do better, considering like I'm in my second year. I really want to pass my second year. My first year was okay. The way things are going at this rate, I need to sort my life out, to be honest. I need to sort my freaking life out. I have that talk with myself, like motivating myself all the time and whatnot. One of my favorite eyeshadow shades is orange, by the way. It just suits me better. I can't find my Revlon concealer, and that is my favorite concealer. I don't know how good is it. I have no idea. The only time I go overweight, like heavy with my makeup, is my under eye, because I have the most ridiculous dark circles. And even though I don't get enough sleep, I don't want people thinking I don't get enough sleep, you know. You see how good the eyeshadow looks? Looks so good. A lot of you have asked about my lashes that I wear, and I have a video on that, guys. Believe it or not, I did film a video for you guys on the type of lashes I wear, and I'll leave it down in the description box, and how I wear them and all that stuff, because lashes are like the easiest thing. Bronzer, of course. Let me tell you, I can not do everything for makeup, but I have to wear bronzer. I don't know, it just makes my face more defined. I already have cheekbones, like it's not that I'm worried about, but I really like that sun-kissed look because I bring my bronzer like all the way up. I like looking tan, basically. Like I'm having a great time in the sun. Also, something else I love about this blush, I love you about this blush, is it's got like shimmer specks in it. So I don't know, this is probably one of the best things Rihanna's ever made. I would like to try like other shades, but nothing beats chili mango. And then I top it off with like my sleek one. By the number of times you guys hear like planes, you might think I live in the airport. One of my favorite blushes is sleek one, the orangey like terracotta one, Sahara. It's so good. I can't forget the nose. I never contour my nose, but I have to have blush on there. I have to do this part quiet, otherwise I'm just gonna poke my eye out, and we don't want that, do we? That's honestly it. Like I don't do other than this. So now usually depending on the occasion, I put lashes or not. Most times not, because I honestly can't be bothered. Like now I'm not gonna put lashes, I'm just gonna do mascara. Before we dive into all of that, we're gonna do, I keep forgetting that we have to set our face. Bretman Rock. I love the shade Baby Girl. It's like a reflex, like it's like a pinky, has like a pinky reflex at the end of it. Also, I just mix Mahu and Baby Girl, and then in my mind. Stunning. Always bring your highlight. Trick I learned, always bring your highlight too when you smile, so that when you have your photo taken, you can still see the glow. What's your favorite mascara? Let me know, especially like drugstore affordable ones. Let me know. Now, depending on the day as well, I usually decide what lip I'm gonna go for, but today we're gonna go for something nude. If I usually have events or something, I just pair this look with like a red lip with a brighter lip, but not today, because and then I'm gonna use my dose of color. I can't find it, so we're gonna use the NYX Butter Gloss instead in the shade Abu Dhabi, and I always pair it with like a darker lip liner. I don't know if I talked so much, but I was just updating you guys in my life and how I'm feeling and all that stuff. This is the final look, very glowy, very dewy, very minimal. If you want to go ahead, just put on like lashes on top of this. If you want to go for a brighter lip, go ahead, but the skin is looking dewy and very minimal. This is my go-to makeup when I'm going somewhere, have an event or somewhere to go. This is what I do most of the time, minus like the shiny. I got carried away that right now. I never put like the shiny in my inner corner. But that's it for this video. There's a plane coming, so I need to do this outro quick. Thank you so much for watching, you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, by the way, if you haven't already. Just let you know. Let's get to 3K. Bye.